I think I messed up. Why am I yawning while talking about yawning? Let's find out. So yawning. It's not just for bedtime. We yawn when we're tired, bored, or even when we're just thinking about yawning. Like right now. Did you yawn? Laugh. Scientists think yawning helps cool our brain. Yup, our brain gets hot from all that thinking. But here's the funny part. Yawning is super contagious. If you see someone yawn, you might yawn too. It's like a yawn chain reaction. Even seeing a picture of someone yawning can do it. Laugh. And get this, even dogs yawn when they see us yawn. Talk about man's best mimic. So next time you yawn, just remember, you're cooling your brain, and maybe starting a yawn fest. Stay curious and keep laughing.